Drug addiction is a national security threat. That's what Secretary of Health and Human Services Robert F. Kennedy Jr. declared during a speech today in Nashville.
Our Brendan Tierney has a look at the impact addiction is having in the community and the solutions the Secretary is pushing to fund.
Addiction is about isolation.
Robert F. Kennedy Jr. says the nation has lost its sense of community, which is driving people into addiction.
They have to fix what's wrong with them. And the only thing that works are drugs.
The Secretary of Health and Human Services talked to the nation's largest prescription and illegal drug summit today, sharing his own story of heroin addiction that still has him going to AA meetings every morning.
Did not want to be somebody who was white-knuckling it, who was on the street trying to not take drugs, but wanting them all the time.
That's exactly the situation Tawanda Murray was in, living under a Nashville bridge until she found recovery and eventually started helping other people.
As we build this city, we need to build compassion for one another.
But she says that work has already been hurt by federal funding cuts to programs in Middle Tennessee. She was excited by the $4 billion Kennedy mentioned his department has to fight addiction.
So I'm hoping he came here today and he'll understand by seeing everybody that's out here supporting what we do, the work that we do.
Kennedy says 106,000 people died across the country from addiction last year, which is more than double the number of Americans killed during the entire Vietnam War.
We need to pay the same attention to this crisis, which is a national security threat, and a threat to everything we love about our country as Vietnam.
He wants to center efforts on 12-step programs, along with increasing access to addiction treatment drugs.
We need prevention. We need education.
RFK only talked about drugs today, but there were several people escorted out of the speech after they pulled out signs and started chanting things about his positions on autism treatment and vaccines. In Donaldson, Brendan Tierney, WSMV4.